Are you trying to figure out your career path? Finance and accounting might just be your best career move. What is finance and accounting? Finance is about managing money and investments, while accounting deals with recording and reporting financial transactions. Why choosing finance and accounting? These fields offer incredible stability. Businesses always need professionals to manage their finances. What skills you will build with this training? Budgeting and forecasting, financial planning, taxation, risk management, and more. These skills are essential in this field. With a background in finance and accounting, you could work in corporate finance, investment banking, or even start your own consulting firm. In finance, you might analyze market trends, and in accounting, prepare financial statements or conduct audits. Choosing a career in finance and accounting offers stability, versatility, and continuous growth. Our finance and accounting training course is here to help you get started in this exciting field.